So this is the 25 minutes of first pattern, kanji finding. Okay. The first pattern, we are going to identify the kanji. Let me zoom that.
Yes.
Okay. Every day we'll solve one question paper at least, so that we can learn many things. So I'm not going to answer that. Everyone need to be participate and find the right answer. We'll cross verify the final answer at the end of the session. Okay. Please take your one notebook or a paper with pencil, and let's try to mark ourselves our assumption answer. Then later we'll cross verify in a final answer what correct, and we'll try to score ourselves where we stand. You don't need to publish any score on the outside, but still you can self-evaluate your side. And when we are trying to give the answer time, each and everyone can able to contribute side your side knowledge, how this answer is valid, why we should not choose the other answers. Okay, is that format is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take a piece of paper. Give me a minute. Okay. So first question, who's going to read this?
Can I read?
Yeah.
Senshu depato ni kaimono ni
Kaimon
ikimashita.
Ikimashita.
So it's
Okay.
telling that we need to buy. I went to the department store last week. That's
Yes.
the meaning of it.
So the
And
first kanji is previous, and second kanji is week. Previous week. Dipato ni kaimono ikimasu. Shopping. I count for a shopping. Okay. So first. Yeah. Go ahead.
Last week I came.
My option is 2.
2. Okay. Anybody else has any other options?
Yeah, the same.
Same.
Okay. Okay. So let's go for the before that. Let's try to read these 4 answers. Then we'll try to conclude. So you are reading the first. Again, you read the question, and also the pattern should need to be. You have to read the answers. Then we have to conclude that. Are we clear? Could you repeat one more time?
Senshu depato ni kaimono ni ikimashita. First, Senshu. Second, Senshu. Third, Zenshu. Fourth, Zenshu. I could find out the difference.
Yes. Okay. So first one, Shenshu. Second one, Senshu. Third is the Tenten is there. If Tenten is there, we should not choose that. It is a kind of tips and tricks we have to think over. If it is for the Senshu, means there is no Tenten on Sen. Okay. Senshu, then Senshu. So then it's a kind of second is the right answer. Let's see that on the final time. Okay. Second one. Okay, who's going to read that second one?
Shall I try?
It's very simple only. Yeah. One, no? Yeah, go ahead.
Goha no dash de san poshimas.
Hoshimas. Okay.
Poshimas. So the answer will be
No, read that answer also.
also the entire answer, the numbers.
Yes,
Sugi,
yes. Sugi.
Sugi means next. Oshiro, I think behind. Mae means front.
And
Ato means after. If I'm correct, I'm not sure. So
it's
Gohan,
correct.
it's correct. Okay. Gohan, no. I think answer will be fourth one. Ato. After having meal, we'll go for a stroll.
Right.
Thank you.
Let the final answer. Let's cross verify. Even I was not.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's group study into that.
Okay.
Okay. Third one. Who's going to try that?
Mo ichido
Mo ichido.
takate kudasai. Takai, I guess. That's the
Taka is a height kanji.
like the option is 4.
No.
I guess.
It's not height kanji. It's a
Eve.
different one.
Ito, I think so, first one.
Mm.
Repeat that one more time.
Mo ichido dash
Hmm.
te kudasai.
Kudasai. What is the first answer?
Ite.
It's the second.
Kite. Matte and tatte.
Matte. Okay. Which is you feel that is the right answer?
First one, ite.
Itte. Let's
Yes.
cross verify 1 second. This kanji. Okay.
It's a Eve near to mirror. Yes, near to mirror. This
Yeah.
side.
That's the kanji.
One.
Eve.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Could you repeat one more time?
Mo ichido ite kudasai.
Yeah. Itte kudasai. Itte means to say. This the mouth kanji is there, right?
Say one more time.
The mouth kanji is there. That's the mouth kanji. So because of that, it is say kanji.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. We'll go for the fourth one. That's very simple one. Straight away we can go for a answer 2, right? Okay. Anyhow, we'll see that. Who's going to read this? Fourth one. It's very simple one.
Chicago ni Yamaga
Chicago ni
Yamaga
Yamaga arimasu.
Arimas.
Okay. Chicago ni Yamaga arimasu. Second is the answer. Yama is the mountain.
Mountain.
Okay. Let's go and see that. This is a mountain kanji.
Near to Kawa.
Okay. This is mountain. Yama. Okay. That's the same answer. Yama kanji. Are we clear? This symbol? Okay. Write your answer from your white paper so that we'll try to evaluate. In case if you differ on your answer also, you can mark it. Okay, go ahead with the first one. Who's going to read?
Kono hoteru. Yes.
Yeah, okay, continue.
Kono hoteru wa heiya ga oi desu.
It's called many, right? It's a many
Many.
kanji. It's a many kanji. It's already available here. You can see that here. Okay. Many, frequently, much.
Much.
Okay. Kanji. Okay. This means the answer will be Second one,
OE.
OE. Okay, like that only we have to read OE. Okay, let's try for the what are the other options they given. Can you read that?
Sugunai.
Sugunai?
Sugunai means few.
Few.
OE means much.
OE means many.
Many. Semi means narrow.
Semi means narrow.
Heroe means spacious.
Spacious. Heroe means spacious. Okay. Okay. So far we covered 5 questions. The first one is the
Senshu.
Senshu, is called last week. Second one we studied about
Atto.
Atto, is for after, right?
After.
Then we studied about Hito,
Ite.
Seikanji, and then Yama is the mountain, and then we studied about Oi, is the
Oi.
many kanji. So in exam time, when you are identifying the similar kind of kanji, mostly the same word will repeat. Okay, you have to manage memorizing certain words like a 2 kanji letter, and then what is the equivalent. So what is the confusion will come is whether the 10 is there we have to put, or inside that some of the character will change. So that one only we have to be very clear and surely we have to answer that. Okay, first one is Shenshu. Second is the answer. Second question is the
Atto.
Atto. Atto is the answer. Let's try this Atto is kanji is there or not. Whether this Atto kanji is there. Let's see. Where is the Atto kanji here? Don't think so. Atto kanji is
Before
there.
te.
Ushiro.
Before te.
Ushiro. Near to Mise. Third row.
And before te.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is.
Yeah. So here Atto kanji is here. Okay. Began back later. Later. That means that's a later. After that, taken a Atto. Okay. So we assume that there are 5 kanjis we read, and let's go for the 6th one. Okay. This is very easy kanji only. Say one only. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Who's going to read this?
Tomodachi to
Tomodachi to.
Ishoni
Go ahead.
Gakko ikimasu.
Gakko ni ikimasu.
Okay. So it's a very easy kanji, Gakko, because multiple times we saw that. But there will be confusion will become whether 10 need to be there or 10 the Su kanji will be there. So which is the right answer over here?
Third one.
Third one.
Third one. Okay. So what is the meaning of the jumbled word they given here? There is no meaning, I think.
School.
But third is the Gakko, Gakko, Gakko. Then again Gakko. So here the third is the right answer. Let's go to this kanji, Gakko kanji. Okay, there's a Gakko kanji. Where it is? It's not here. Okay, so Gakko is the third is the right. So here in Gakko, ka, ten, then su, ko, e. This letter need to come. Gakko. Okay. So when it sound O means we should not end with O. This is Gakko. Gakko. Okay. That is 6th one. Let's try to solve the next next page. Are we clear on this first 6 kanjis? Has any questions so far? Are we going in the right direction?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, of course.
So we are trying to combine study and we are trying to solve the questions. Mainly focusing on if we solve almost 1000 questions now, definitely will get passed. We are focusing in that way. Okay. So we're going for the 7th one. Okay. Who's going to read this?
Enpitsuwa Rokuhon Arimas.
So Zoom is clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Enpitsuga
Rokuhon
dash Rokuhon
Arimas.
Arimas. Okay. Enpitsuga means enpitsu is the
Pencil.
pencil. Rokuhon. Okay.
But
Arimas. There. Okay. So what is that answer?
First option.
the answer
one.
is fourth one.
Yeah, it's
The
rope.
answer is four.
It's it
pond.
should be Ropon.
Rope
Rope
pond. Yeah,
Ropon.
yeah.
Because
Ropon.
few letters like a 6 and all, it will come as a po. Po will
Pon.
come. These kind of confusion will come.
Simply we can remember that 1, 6, 8 and 10.
Yes. 1, 6, 8, 10
8 and
will
10
be that
will come.
Maru will come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So the answer will be 4 is the right answer. Okay. Could you repeat that one more time, reading that seventh one?
Yeah. Enpitsuwa Rokuhon Arimas.
Enpitsuga, Rokuba,
Harimas.
Rokuhon, Harima. So Roku means 6 ones. 6 count. When it's come count, you have to put a
Ropon.
Ropon. Okay, this is a good learning actually. You have to see that. We have to interchange into 8 also. So then we have to see that what is that word?
Hapon.
Hapon.
Yeah.
We have to change and like that. We have, okay. Okay. Next one. It's a very easy one. Go ahead with 8th one.
Kono
Eighth one is
Shinbun wa Ikura Deska.
Could you louder?
Kono Shinbun wa Ikura Deska.
Kono Shinbun wa Ikura deska.
Ikura desu ka?
Okay. What is the answers over here? They given?
Second one.
Second one.
Yeah, second one. What are the other answers?
Shinmun.
Shinmun.
Shinbun.
Shinmun.
Shinmun.
Shibun.
Shinbun. Okay.
And
Second is the right answer. Shinbun. What is a Shinbun?
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Shinbun is a newspaper. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 9th one is very, very simple. Yasui. Okay. Let's see that. What is the question they given? Who's going to read this?
Kono kamereva.
Kono
Kam-
camera wa
Kamerava. Esui desu.
Yasui this. Okay. That's the kind of woman's kanji will become cheap. Something product is cheap also. That same kanji they will try to use. Okay. Kono camera wa yasui desu. Okay. Second is the answer. Let's try to read that. What are the other options they given?
Takai.
Takai.
Takai. Takai is the very high expense.
Tall.
Yasui is the
Cheap.
low cheap product. Okay. Omoi.
Heavy.
What is omoi?
Heavy.
Then
Karui. Light.
light,
Not heavy.
not heavy. Okay. So here, kono camera wa yasui desu. So answer would be 2. Mark your side answer also. Let's cross verify. Okay, let's go for a 10th kanji. So it's a very simple one only.
kasa wa soto ni arimasu.
Kasa wa soto ni arimasu. Okay. Third is the answer. Kasa wa soto ni.
Soto ni arimasu.
Okay. Let's read the what are the other options and meaning.
Ie house. Naka
Naka.
center middle. Iwa garden.
Niba. Niba is garden. Soto.
Soto
Outside.
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 So here, if you go to this kanji list, you can see that Soto kanji here. Let's see what it is. Could you able to find it?
No. It's second row last.
Here. Okay, outside. Soto. Okay. So like that only we have to read it, then we can easily understand. Let's quickly review what so far we learned.
I have a request. Please can you mute it? A lot of noise is coming.
Yeah, please mute everyone.
Thank you.
Okay. So what we are doing currently is we are trying to do an examination pattern kind of way. What are the questions? So first question is the kanji word they will provide, and then they will ask for the meaning of that. Okay, the vocabulary meaning, maybe the meaning of that kanji. Okay, so first of all we have studied 10 kanji and then their meaning. That is what we did for the first pattern. Normally that exam will start with this kind of pattern only. They will provide the kanji and then they will ask you to mark that which is the right answer. So we have to just mark in the pencil 1, 2, 3, 4 red color sheet they will provide. Inside the red color sheet we have to just mark. If it is 2 means we have to highlight the 2. Okay, like that only the exam pattern will come. I heard that there is a Mumbai and Bangalore center. They cancel the exam. Is it true? Is it anybody from that branch? In India, many centers they're still canceling that exam.
Yeah, in
Did
Bangalore
anyone-
it's cancelled.
Bangalore also? Okay. Mumbai, they told it's cancelled. Okay. But Chennai, I didn't receive any input so far. Okay, let's see that. Okay. So far, we covered 10 kanjis. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. Are we going on a right track? Anybody want any suggestion or feedback? Anyone want to share your thought process or ideas?
I think we are going good.
Okay. So let's try to solve that the next pattern. The next pattern they given the word, and then we have to find out the meaning. Okay, and there could be a possibility of that word having a kanji combination also, and that's what we'll try to solve that. So this is another pattern. Okay, so sometimes they'll give a blank dash word, this fill in that word, and that we have to give the meaning for this one. Second is the answer. Kodomo. Okay, the word which they given is in the katakana. Okay, that we have to choose in the combination of the kanji and then the meaning, the right meaning. Kodomono wa, which is the kodomono is child. Okay, kodomono, the child kanji is here, right? So that's one you have to choose. So if we go there, then you can see that child kanji. This is a symbol child. Okay, so here we are seeing this kodomono wa. If you see that ko kanji, kodomono wa,
Kodomo.
kodomo. Okay, kodomo kanji will be here. Second. So now this pattern is clear, right? First pattern, they provided the kanji. That means kanji. You have to find out the meaning of that particular kanji. Second pattern, we are studying about the word will be they provided. We have to find out which is the right kanji with the combination of katakana they provided. We have to combinedly study the kanji plus katakana. Okay, 11th question we'll study. Who's going to read this?
Kesa Shavavo Abhimashita.
Kesa Sabhavo Vimashita.
Shavavo Abhimashita.
Okay. What is the meaning of that?
Morning I took bath in the shower.
Okay. So which is the relevant meaning word over here?
I think third one.
First
No,
one.
first one. First.
First one.
First one. Okay. First is the right answer. Let's see that. What are the other options they given? Can anyone read?
Shau.
Yeah.
Shaw.
Shau. Next, third one is so
Icha.
Yava.
Shava.
Shava. This ya is coming. So Shava.
Yeah.
Shava. Okay. Only that U format is coming, right? So Shava. Okay. So let's try to mark first is the answer. Let's see that. Mark your side answer also. We have to verify. You take your white paper and mark for each question and answer. So let's go with the 12th one.
Kohi wo
Tokyo
nomimashita.
Kogyo nomimashita. So this paper is very, very simple paper, but in exam, real exam may be a little complex. We are going to study more complex words also. But since the beginning stage, I have taken this paper for now. Okay. Kogyo nomimashita. Okay. So nomimas is the drinking. Okay. For drinking one, which is a kanji suits over here. Nomu, nomi mashita.
Second option.
Second one.
Second option, nomi mashita. Nomi mashita. Okay. Let's try to go and check with your kanji pattern over here. Where is nomi mashita? Where is it nomi? Nomi kanji, where it is? Are you able to find out nomi kanji?
No.
Tabemash, where is Tabemash?
Both
Next to
not there.
Tabemash only it will be there. No, definitely it will be there. Without that, it won't even come.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it was there in the last line.
Okay.
Okay. Nomu, nomi mashita. Okay. So the symbol, if you see that, this eating kanji, then the drinking kanji with a person need to be there. Okay, here the person is not there. It is a father kanji kind of way. This is a different kanji. So second is the right answer. So everyone clear what we are doing? Nomi mashita. You have to identify the kanji. Okay, let's go with the third one.
Atarashi kurumao kai mashita.
Atarashi
I think the
kurumao
third
kai.
one.
Third is the right answer.
Yes.
So what is the difference between second and third? So are you able to find some difference?
I mean, the first one is entirely wrong. I mean, and the second one
The middle line is not continuous.
is missing. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Middle line is not there.
Yeah.
Okay. So here there are 3 lines are coming. For kurma, it's only 2 lines will be coming.
Right.
Okay. So do we have kuruma? See here. Car. One. The box is having only one middle line and then one. So this is the right answer. So, okay. Let's go with the fourth one. 14.
Konobushi wa senyen desu.
Kono hoshi wa sennen desu. Okay. So
Option
here,
is Moshi.
option is 4. Correct. So remaining, what are the other options they have? The senyen des. Okay. The N kanji only the last options. Other things are not even relevant.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with that 4. Let's go with the 15th one.
Shukudaiga Hanbun Ovari Mashita.
Hanfun is the half.
Yeah.
Hanfun, half an hour.
Hanbun.
Okay, go read it.
Shukudaiga Hanbun Ovari Mashita.
Sukudaiva Hanfun
Ovari
Ovarimashita.
Mashita.
Okay, so what are the options they given?
Fourth is the answer.
Fourth one.
4th is the answer.
Fourth is
Right.
the answer.
Your answer is 4,
Yeah.
right? Hanfun. Let's cross verify. Han. Where is the Han? Center kanji. Han kanji.
Second row, 6th one.
Yeah.
Okay. So Naka, Han. If you see the symbol, one line with 2 different vertical line and then 2 dots. Okay. So here 2 lines and 2 dots. So 4th is the right answer. So remaining other things are little different. But if you see the second also, what is the difference between second and 4th?
That
The kanji
fun.
is wrong.
Fun
As
is wrong.
One is
one line is up there after that in second full.
correct.
One
In
line is
second kanji, it is different. First kanji may be same, but second kanji is different. So we have to choose the right. Both kanjis are same. Okay, with the meaning for this. Hanfun. Okay, Hanfun. Fun kanji different. Let's go with the 16th one. Yeah, who's going to read this?
Watashi no uchi ni kikimasen ka? Kimasen ka?
Watashi no uchi ni kimashita. Kimasaka.
Senka.
Kimasenka. Kimasenka. Okay.
First
Kimasenka.
First one.
Kimasenka. Okay. Okay, let's see that here kanji pattern. Kimashita. Come. Okay. So here the kanji, this is a relevant kanji, which is a tree kanji. The third one, and the remaining other things are different kanji. Here, sorry, this is a tree kanji. So first one is the come.
Answer.
So he is coming from his home. Okay, that is the meaning. Watashi no uchi ni ikimasenka. Are you not come to my home? What they are asking?
Would you like to come to my home?
Would you like to come to my home? So here, this is the come. Masenka. Okay, Masenka. 16th is the one is the answer. Okay, now we are moving to the next pattern. Okay. So now we have to, there will be a fill in the blanks will be there. We have to put the right word in that blank. Okay, third pattern, there is a word sentence statement will be there, and then some blank will be there. In that blank, we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Who's going to read this? 19th one.
Watashi no heya wa kono dash no nikai desu. Apato no, the fourth one.
Okay.
Like
So watashi no heya wa kono tepato no nankai desu. Nikai desu. Okay. So fourth is the answer. Let's read the what are the other options.
Erebeta, elevator.
Second one,
Pool.
Pun,
Air conditioner.
air condition. Okay. So fourth
Puru
is the
means swimming pool, right?
Pool. Yes.
pool,
Yeah, it's a swimming pool.
swimming pool. Okay. So fourth is the right answer. So let's go with the 20th one. Who else want to try? Any boys can try?
Satu Sanva Kitavu
Satosanva Kitao
Sho
Josni.
Yosuni
Shoshini
Kikimasu. Third,
Third one.
third one, correct.
With the guitar.
So anybody else have a different answer? You can talk more actually. Anybody has any other
Three
answers?
only.
Okay, let's read the what are the other options they given.
Utais. To sing.
Time. To sing.
Then Kikimas is to hear.
Hmm.
Then Azobimas. Azob is to play.
Also is to play, correct. Play cheerful. Okay.
And
So 20th,
Hiki is
third is the answer.
Hiki means
Hiki must to listen.
Hiki means to listen.
Second one, Kikimas.
No, I'm asking third one, the Hiki.
that is Kiki to hear.
I'm talking about the third one, Hiki.
That is what playing instrument kind of thing.
Okay, to play instrument, any instrument. Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's go with the third, filling the blanks. Who's going to try? Any boys can try? Anybody there? Kavin, Karthik, Dheeraj, Sabari, Shiva, Srihari.
Teburuni
Teburuni.
wo
Okay.
sarato
Sarato.
hashi wo kudasai. Hash kudasai.
Tebruni.
Wo
Read
sarato.
it louder. Repeat one more time.
Teburuni wo sarato hashi wo
Sarato,
hash kudasai.
Ashivo, dash kudasai. Okay, first of all, we'll see the sentence first, then we'll try to match the answers. Okay, read that all the four answers.
Narabete,
Narabide,
totte,
Totte,
tabete,
Tabete,
arate.
Arate. Okay, so what could be the meaning as well as the answers? What is the meaning for the first one?
Narabere. I'm not sure.
Anybody knows the meaning of this
To
word?
arrange. To
Yeah, to
arrange.
organize.
Narabete, to arrange. Okay, next one. Who's reading this?
This is Sabri.
Yeah, Sabri. Go ahead, Sabri.
Totte.
Totte. What is the meaning of that?
I'm not sure actually.
Not sure?
Yeah.
Okay, please, others, please tell him.
Take.
The voice is breaking. Could you repeat?
Take.
Sabri, listen. Take. Right? Tabete. Tabete is the your eating. Okay, eat. Tabete, eat. What is the last one? So what is the answer for here?
Aravu is to wash.
Arrow is the wash. Okay. So could you read that sentence one more time and put the fill in the blanks over there?
Teburni o saratu hashivo
Hashivu. Kudasai. What for they are asking Kudasai? Teburuni. What is the answer for this, Ma? 21.
Tabete.
I think
Narabete.
Narabete to arrange.
Arrange.
Narebete. Okay,
Narabete.
Narebete is the answer. Okay.
I have a
Teburuni.
doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is the meaning of osarato?
Osara
Plates.
means plate,
Sara
plate
means-
and chopsticks.
Okay.
Osara means plate. So Teburuni. So trying to confuse us with the what are the things in the table. Okay. Teburuni. Read it, Ma.
O sarato
Osarato.
hashivo
Hashivu.
narabete
Narabete.
arrange the plates and tables, plates and sticks on the table.
Correct. Okay. Let's go with the 22nd. 21 is the answer is 1. Okay. So 22nd. Go ahead with that. Who's going to read this quickly? You have to read fast. You're running out of time.
Kesa. Okay.
Sojivo Chitakara Heyava dash this. Kirei Kitanai Akarui Kurai. My
Okay.
answer is plate.
Kire. Kire is the beautiful. Right?
Yes.
Yamawa. Yama means Yama, right? Hayawa. Okay. Hayawa Kire this. Okay. Kire is the beautiful. What are the other options?
Kitanai means dirty and Akarui means bright or light.
Right.
Kurai means dark.
Dark.
Dark. Black or dark kind of thing. Okay. So let's try to choose the answer 1. 22nd. 1. Let's go with the 23rd.
Kiowa 500 dash Oyogi Mashita.
What is a 500 in Japanese?
Go.
Gosen.
Yaku. Go.
Goyaku.
Yaku.
Okay, Goyaku. Okay. Okay.
My answer is
Kyowa.
3.
Kyowa Goyaku dash.
Meter.
What is the answer?
Meter. Third one.
Meteru. Meteru.
Oyogi Mashita.
Oyaki mase.
Is to swim.
Oyake mase. Masen. Oyaku mashita.
Oyogi mashita is to was to swim.
Louder, ma.
Oyogu is to
So let's see that what are the other options they given. So who's going to read this? So
Do.
read this
Do.
and then they put the meaning.
Do means 10. Okay. Ban number. Meturu means meter.
There.
This is go.
Guramu.
Guram.
Gram.
Gram.
So it
It's
will
like
be
a cages.
yeah. So it is third one is the answer. Meteru.
Meter.
Today he
Meter is it?
swim for 500 meter.
Correct. Okay. Yeah, 24. And let's check the answer for till 24. Yeah, go ahead with that 24 quickly. Read fast.
Ekikara Taishi kan made no dash
Daishikan
o
Mademo,
kaite
dash o
kudasai.
kaite kudasai. Okay.
Ekikara.
So what would be the answer?
Kippu.
One.
Kippu is the answer.
Kippu is the ticket.
Ekikara.
Kippu is the ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kippu is right answer. Let's see. Any other what other options they given?
Shashin
Shashin.
Is photograph.
Shashin is the
is
newspaper.
the map.
This is map.
Tegami letter.
Jisu is map. Tegam is
Zizu.
letter. So fourth is the
Zizu.
okay.
Zizu means map.
Jisu is map. So which is the right answer?
Fourth one.
Kippu.
Second
Kippu.
one.
Chizu means map. I mean, they're saying Ekikara Tai Shikan Made no
Daishikan Madeno.
Kippo o
Dash.
Kaite Kudasai. So he wants to buy a ticket. Kaite
Ticket,
means
correct.
to buy.
Kairimas, Kaitemas is the buying. Okay. Kaite is the buying. Okay. So he is going to buy the ticket. Okay. So Kippu is the ticket. They're checking that meaning. Okay. So far 24 questions we
Because
studied.
the Made no. It's end with no particle. So it's a belongings.
Up to some place. It's like Made is up to. And
Made means up
no
to,
is-
but with no.
Kaite means to write. So it should be chizu.
No, Kaki is right.
Cow
It is
is
Kai. Kai
cow
means
is to buy.
to buy.
Kaimas. It's for Kaimas. Yes.
Kaite
It's
is
for
to buy.
Kaite is by.
Kate is to buy. Not
It's
kaite is
not
to
a kite.
write or draw. So it should be chizu.
No. You're wrong. You're wrong. It's Kai. Kai means to buy. What you're
Cow
saying right
means
is
They form
No,
Ka.
that is the same
of
word.
kaimas is katte
no cow
and not
means
kaite. The
for
te
buy
form
katte.
of us is kaite. So it should be chizu. Just draw the map from Eki to Taishikan. Please.
Yeah, you're right. The te form of Kaimas is Kaite.
Yeah.
So this must be cheese.
Akimas is kaite.
Sorry, 1 second. I'm checking
I think
one of my
from
email I had replied. So meanwhile, just read that. Are we clear on this till 24?
Yeah.
Okay. Meanwhile, I'm checking my office message. 1 second. My chat message many people bring. So let's go with that. The till 30th question. Then we'll cross verify the answer. Okay. So far we covered 24, and we are going to see that 25. Okay. So 25. Can somebody read this 25? So I have around 100 question papers. We'll try to solve one. Okay, what is the 25? Who's going to read that quickly? Because exam, they will not give this much time. You have to read very, very fast.
Urusaikara Terebivo dash
Urusaikara
Kudasai.
Terebivo. You have to fast reading. Okay. Urusaikara Terebivo
Terebivo dash Kudasai.
Kudasai. Okay. Read the answers also fast.
Keshite, it's Kete, Shimete, Aket.
Again. So what could be the potential answer?
Urushikara, because of love. Terebivo Shimete Kudasai.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shimete means
Switch off.
close.
Yeah.
Mark the
Because
answer as 3.
Heshi means two.
Timete kuda. Yes.
Okay, mark the answer is 3. Let's see that. Okay, read that 26. For each question, we should not take not more than 20 seconds.
Kyowa dash ka futimasu.
Kyowa dash ka
Yuki ga
futemasu.
futemasu.
Yuki.
Kyowa
Yeah.
Yuki. Okay, what are the answers meaning?
Kumori, cloudy, hare, spring, kaze, wind, yuki, snow.
Yuki,
So
snow.
for rain and snow, fute comes. For wind, fuite comes. Fukimasu.
Okay, correct. So let's mark as the 4 is the answer. Okay, let's go with the 27.
Hakoni Ringoga dash Arimas.
Hakuni ring dash arimasu.
Arimas.
How many things are there? How many count there?
5.
5.
It's
Okay, 5. What
second
is the
one.
meaning of 5?
Itsu.
Second one is the answer. Ichitsu.
It's
Okay. Jotsu is the 4. Motsu, Nanatsu 7.
6,
Okay.
7.
6, 7. Okay. So let's go with the
Second one.
5.
Itsu.
Itsu. 28. So each question should be less than 20 seconds or even 10 seconds.
Mega
Meganeva tsuke no dash ni arimasu. Ue.
Okay. Meganeba
Tsukueno.
Tsuke no dash ni arimasu. Ue.
arimasu.
Uye ni arimasu.
Uye ni arimasu. Okay. So last is the answer. Just mark it. Any question? Anybody has any doubt? Means ask it immediately. What are the other options?
Soba.
Soba.
That
Soba.
means
Near.
Yoko beside
Yoko.
Shita
Shita.
under
Coming
up down.
from
Okay. So what they asked actually? What is it? Read that. What is the meaning?
Where is the
Like
glass
where is
in
the
the
glass?
table?
Where is the glass? It's on the top of that table. On above the table. Okay. Uye is the top. Okay. Here we saw that the kanji, right? Uye is up.
That's
Okay.
Shita.
Okay. 30th. Now we'll go with the till 28th. We study. Let's cross verify with the answers now, or we'll still read that other pattern. We don't have time. We'll continue, or
Yeah, go ahead.
we'll continue till few more questions. Okay, let's go with the 29. So this is a different pattern. Okay, 29 is a different pattern. So we have to read the statement and then find the
Similar meaning.
relevant one. Okay. Yeah, go ahead with that third pattern, 29.
Maiban kuni no kazuko ni
Maiban kuni no kasoko ni
then
Washimasu.
shimasu. Then was shimasu.
Maiban.
Okay, what is the meaning of that?
Every night. Every night he calls his family every night to his own country.
Okay, so what are the 4 options they given?
Yoruba Tokidoki kuni ni kazuko ni then washimasu.
You can read louder, not a problem. Even if it is mistake, is fine.
Yeah. I think the
Yoruba,
third one.
Toki. Which one?
Toki
Third.
Doki means
Sometimes.
sometime.
Third
Yeah.
one, I guess.
Third one.
Third one.
Itsumo.
Yoruba.
Yoruba,
Kuni no
Itsumo,
kazuko ni then washimasu.
Kasoko ni then was shimasu. Okay. What is the 4th option? Here also Itsumo is there.
But it is
What is
morning.
every
Asa, but it's a morning.
Morning. So what is the every night, right?
Yeah.
So Yoruva. So that is a third. So they're checking whether it's a morning or evening, the meaning you have or not. So Yoruva, Itsumo, Koni no, Kasokoni,
Then
Denwa
washimasu.
Third is the right answer. Let's mark it. Let's cross verify. 30th one.
Kono machi ni
Machiniwa. Kono Machiniwa.
yumeina
Yumeina. Tatemono ga arimasu.
The city is famous for buildings, huh?
Famous
The meaning.
This city
Tatemono
has a famous
building.
Buildings.
Buildings. Tatemono.
Biruga.
I think first one.
First one is
First one is
Kono
kya?
mainichi wa nichi ni wa yumeina biru ga arimasu. First one.
One second.
Yes.
First one, right? Okay, what is the meaning of that?
City is famous for its buildings.
Yes.
This city has famous buildings.
This street is famous for buildings.
Buildings. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I'm chatting with my office chat also. Okay, let's move back to the 30th one. I'm sorry, I totally forgot this. 30th one is the first is the answer, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So the next pattern is, so far we covered the kanji and then katakana grammar, that means a word, and then fill in the blanks. 3 pattern we saw, right? So let's cross verify the answer. Then we'll come back. And we'll come for a reading. Okay. General listening. Okay, let's see that answer is here. This is the one. Where is the answer now? Let's see. Chapter which one, which chapter we solved? 30th, right? Till 30th, it was 33. Till 33. Let's cross verify the answer now very quickly. We solved till 30th. We'll solve 30 till 33. We'll solve it. Okay. Okay. First one is the answer I have. I'm reading the answer. What I noted down. Anybody else noted down the answer? Anyone note down on your paper the answer? Guys, are you there? Is it audible?
Yeah.
Is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible.
Anyone noted down the answers?
No.
Or else I'll read the answer. Let's quickly cross verify so that our learnings will be proper. Okay. The first one answer is I have noted down as 2. Okay. That's called Senshu. Who answered this? Answer is correct. Okay. Senshu. Second answer is 4. Okay. Atto. Are you able to see that? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second answer is 4. We are revisioning that. Whatever the answer we are cross-verifying our answer is correct or not. The third question is, first is the answer. That is also correct. Hito. Okay. Fourth one is Yama.
2.
Fourth one, you can see that here. Are you able to see my answer sheet? Are you able to see my answer sheet?
Yes. No.
No.
Not there. Okay, one second. Let me reshare it. Okay, so far I thought I'm sharing my answer sheet also. This is the answer sheet for first 33 questions. Okay. So fifth one, what is the answer? Let's redo that.
2.
Okay, 2. OE. Okay. Sixth one.
3.
Quick answers.
3.
3.
3.
Gatse. Okay. Fifth one is wrong. 2. Fifth one is OE is correct. Sixth one is 3.
3.
Correct. Seventh one,
4.
4. Let's see that. Okay. Seventh one, Rokuban with 10. Okay. Rokuhon. 10 is need to be there. Rokuban. Okay. So here 4. Eighth one,
2.
2. Shinbun.
One.
Shinbun. Okay. Ninth one,
2.
Yasui. 2. 10th one,
3.
Soto. Let's cross verify. Eighth one is 2. What is it?
8th one
Answer?
is 2 and 9th one is
Yeah,
also 2.
10th one.
10th one is
10th
3.
one is 3. Correct. 10th one is 3. So 11th one.
11th one 1.
11th one is 1. Let's cross verify. 11th one is 1. Correct. 12th one.
12th one 2.
Let's read that. What is that meaning? Nomimasen. First, second. So nomimas is the second. Correct. 13th.
13th 3.
Kurumaga. 3. 14th. 4.
4.
15.
4.
Again 4. 16.
1.
1.
1.
17.
3.
17. 3 is right. 18.
1.
Did we did 18? I forgot that.
No, you didn't.
We've not done that, right? 18. We might be skip this page. Okay. So
17
17th
and
we did.
18 we skipped.
Yeah. Okay. Let's read it one more time. Quickly. Somebody read it.
Kino Tanaka-san to aimashita.
Kino
Yesterday
Tanaka-san
I
wa
met
aimashita.
with Tanaka-san.
So what is the answer?
3. Aimashita.
3.
3 is the answer. Okay. Aimashita. 18th
Moto
one.
to onaji fuku wo kaimashita.
Unaji means same.
Same.
Same clothes.
Okay.
Sister also
What is it?
bought the same.
'Same clothes.
同じ、服を買いました.
'Same clothes. 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 'Same c
It's 1.
Okay, what is the answer?
1.
Gunaji. 1.
18, 1.
Okay. 18 is the 1 is the answer. 17 is the 3 is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go with the 19th one. 19th one
4.
answer is 4. 20th
3.
3. Correct. 21
21, 1.
1. Read the word. Read the word.
21. Narabete.
Narabete. What is the meaning of
To
that?
arrange.
Narabete.
Or to organize.
To arrange. Okay. Narabete to arrange. 22nd.
1. Again 1. Kire. Kire means
Kire.
clean or
Kire is beautiful. 23rd.
3.
3.
Meter. Meter.
Meter.
Meter.
24.
4.
4.
Ticket.
24 is 2.
Cheese.
24 is 2.
Map.
Map. Chizu. So could you read this statement one more time?
Ekikara.
Hmm.
Ekikara Taishikan Madino Chizu wo kaite kudasai.
Chizu wo kaite kudasai. So asking the
Please give me the
instead
map.
of ticket, instead of buying before buying the ticket, is asking the map to verify.
Map.
Okay.
Okay.
So Chizu is the right answer over here. Correct? Understand?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Okay. Then the 25.
3.
25 is 3. 25 is 1. Read the statement and read the answers.
Urusai kara therapy wo dash kudasai.
Terebi wo
Keshte
dash kudasai. Okay.
Okay.
Keshte kudasai.
What is the
That's
answer of that? Keshi.
25 is the 1.
Okay.
Keshite kudasai. Okay. So give me a moment. I'm getting one call.
Anyone can explain that 25th question?
Keshi means to turn off.
Okay. Shimete means to close.
Ha.
Oh,
It's
okay.
actually,
Okay.
yeah, that's why I also got confused. Shimete. So
Ah,
I said the
okay.
third one only. So the loud is too much, so turn off the TV.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, I'm back now. Let's quickly verify the answers. Are you guys there?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's focus on the 26. So 25, are we clear? The clarity
Yes.
is there? Okay. So let's go with the 26. What could be the answer? 26. 4. Okay. 26 is the 4. Correct. 27.
27 2.
ஹலோ கேக்குதுங்களா? ஹலோ
கேக்குதுமா, sorry. Okay. So let's go with the 27. So 2 is the answer. 28 is the VA. Is the answer. Okay. 29. Let's go with the 29. Give me a minute. Let me go to the 29. Okay. Let's go with the 29. What could be the answer?
3.
3. 3 is the right answer. 29 is 3. 30th.
1.
1. Anybody has different answers for this? No, right? 31. What is the 31? What's answer for 31?
We need to discuss now. We need to write it down.
Okay, 31 to 33, we have to start the
Yes.
discussion. Okay, let's quickly go with the 31. So no, read it.
Sono Egawa, Omoshiro,
Egawa,
Omoshiro Kunakata this.
Kunakata des. Kono Egawa, Omoshiroi Kunakata des. What is the meaning of that? Anyone?
This film is
This
not
movie is
interesting.
not interested.
Not interested. Okay, let's read that 1 to 4. What it's saying.
Kono Egawa, Danoshikata this. Sono Egawa, Smaranakata des. Sono Egawa, Mijikata des. Sono Egawa, Nagakata des.
Yeah. No, this is because of the one of the RP is lost, right? Because of
2.
it's almost 13 million, right? Yeah, sorry. Okay, what is the answer for 31?
2
is the answer.
2 is the answer.
2 is the answer.
Yeah, 31 is 2 is correct. 32. Let's go with it. 32.
Tanjobi wa Rokugatsu Jugo Ichi desu. Nichi desu.
Jigoni ichi desu. Okay. So what is the meaning of that?
Birthday is on
July
15th.
Birthday is
June
on
month?
June 15th.
June 15th.
The option is 3.
Umare. Umare Mashita.
Okay, what is the answer?
3.
3. Rekugats Yugo Nichi means Umare Mashita. I was
Umare
born.
Mashita. Okay. 32, 3 is right answer. Let's go with the 33. Somebody read this.
Ninen maini Kyoto e ikimashita.
Yes, Ninen Maini Kyoto e ikimashita.
I went to Kyoto 2 years back.
Correct.
So,
So what are the options they given?
Ototoshi.
Yeah, we'll change the probability. Don't put 100%. Okay.
Ototoshi.
Only 100%. Remaining things and all 90%. Sorry, guys. Yes. So let's go with the 33. Oh, what is the options here at?
Kino Kyoto e ikimashita.
Kino Kyoto he ikimashita. Kino means tomorrow, right?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Kino is yesterday. Kino Kyoto. Yesterday I went to Kyoto.
Kyoto, yeah.
Then
Ototoi
Kyoto he ikimashita. Third one is the
Kyonen
Kyoto he ikimashita.
Last year. And Ototoshi
Fourth one is the Ototoshi
Kyoto. So last to last year.
Last year. So
fourth.
2 years back means last year.
Yeah.
4. Okay. 4th is the. Give me a minute, Vinay. Okay. So 4th is the right answer. So far, anybody has any questions on the answers or confusion? So today we started it just like a kickstart. Okay. We have to solve many more questions. So only we can able to understand the patterns. What are the kanjis they are asking? And then how to answer that. Everything will come to know step by step only. Not single day, we cannot solve everything. Okay. So far I have, there are similar to question bank. I have around 20-25 questions bank. We'll try to solve each day so that gradually we'll learn. So then we'll have to do the reading faster. Only thing is we have to do the reading very, very fast. Otherwise time will not be there sufficient for writing the exam. If this is for 25 minutes, then we have to complete in 20 minutes. Then only we can able to cover it up. Okay. So this is a kind of trial we started now, solving the question paper. So if you are going on the right track, every day we'll connect and then we will solve at least 1,000 questions before the exams.
Sure.
Okay, everyone on track?
Yeah.
Today actually we missed out the first half of the session because the time was changed at a short notice. So would it be possible that you could share us the recorded session of this? It will be of great help.
I'll share the recorded session definitely always. So the problem what I feel is if we started sharing that recording session, then people become lazy. They're not even spending a time for sit and combinedly study. Okay, so they assume that they just simply click forward and then they're trying to. Some people they are trying to watch the video. Some people, the main idea focus is to make everyone to sit and read so that they will learn something with the exam fear or with the exam pattern understanding. They will clearly understand. They also start spending the time. So I feel that there are 94 to 100 people they register. There are only 20% only they're joining. It means 20 people aren't joining. Okay. So remaining 80 people is a very vast number. They are simply watching the video or not sure. You may not able to track it. So what is my idea is I'm ready to share the video. Maybe after a few days later, maybe then only at least people will try to join and then they'll focus. More collaboration, more people will be, we can quickly solve and learn many things. Okay.
நம்ம எஸ்ஓபி பண்றப்ப அது கிடையாது. நம்ம டைரக்டா 4.4 மேனுவல் டைப் தான் பண்ணோம். manual driver க்குன்னே இவனுங்க
So
entry
let's wind up the call for today.
மாத்துறானுங்க.
Planning for this
Hello?
Go ahead for mute.
Indian
Yeah, your thought process
Electrical
also
பண்ணா
is
fast
fine.
ஆகும் சார். அது
Clear your
process
thought process.
இதுல எலக்ட்ரிக்கல்னா டக்குன்னு பார்த்தாதான் அதுல
Abhinav,
திரும்பி 4 இது அச்சீவ் பண்ணா
mute
போதும்.
பண்ணுங்கப்பா.
வெறும் மேனுவல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா விட்டு நீங்க திருப்பிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். அதுக்காக இதை பண்றாங்க. அது அவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருந்தா நீ 4.
Rangarajan, mute பண்ணுங்க.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead with
Yeah,
your thought.
just one question. So
Naveen.
the record button is with us also. Like if we are attending the session, we can record at our end also, right? So no problem.
Yeah. It will do.
But it is asking for permission to be given by host.
So I think from admin perspective, they can enable record. It will automatically record and then it will store in my local folder. Okay, I'll try to upload into our YouTube. Definitely people can watch it. But my main focus is everyone let them try to start. Gradually, I'll share this video to everyone so that they will review before the exam. 5 days back also.
Tomorrow's session, evening session, can you fix the time right away and so that we stick on to
Yeah,
that?
tomorrow, once again, tomorrow is Friday, right? Or today is Friday? Tomorrow is Friday. Let me check my calendar. Okay, tomorrow also the same time, 4:30 IST, we can have the session. And 4:30 to 6, we can have the session. And possibly we'll solve the evening session and all. It's mainly focusing on solving the question paper. In case, if you have some of the office work, I want somebody volunteers to come and take the charge, and then they have to share the question paper or maybe drive this. Is it fine? Anyone volunteers? Hello?
ஹலோ என்ன கேக்குறீங்க சார்?
Hello?
ஹலோ.
No. See, tomorrow it's a 4:30 p.m. IST time. We'll have the session solving the question paper. What I'm telling, in case sometimes if I have office meeting, somebody need to continue the session without ending within 3 minutes or 1 hour. Somebody need to take the charge to continue the session. Okay, in case if I'm unable to share the screen, I'm unable to read any of the statement, somebody in our group study people itself, they have to take some charge. That means they are voluntarily support. Is that fine?
ஓகே சார், நாளைக்கு முடிவு பண்ணிக்கலாமே. நாளைக்கு ஒரு 3 o'clock அந்த மாதிரி ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம வேற அந்த இது பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
I'll be available in case of any emergency meeting or that time only I'm asking. Otherwise, I'll be there for every next 30 days. This is planned. 30 days, 30 question paper. We are going to solve it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you, Manian.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, just one question. How can we get this paper? Even if I want to try this at home, this question paper.
Hello.
I think
கேக்குதுங்களா?